In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image into shape in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva so you're on the canvas where you want the image shape effect to appear. This works great for making your designs look more polished, whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, or anything else inside Canva. Once your design is open, go over to the left-hand sidebar and click Elements. This is where Canva stores a huge library of design assets, including shapes, graphics, lines, and most importantly, for this tutorial, frames. Inside the Elements panel, look for frames and select it. Frames are different from regular shapes because they're designed to hold images. That means instead of just placing a picture on top of a shape, Canva lets the image snap directly into the frame, giving you a clean and professional result. From here, you can use the search field to look for a specific shape if you already know what you want. For example, you might search for a circle, heart, or star. If you'd rather browse, you can also click See All in the Basic Shapes section to explore more options. This is helpful if you want to compare different frame styles before choosing one. When you find the frame shape you want, click it, and it will be added to your canvas. After it appears, you can resize it by dragging the corners, and you can reposition it anywhere you like on the page. Take a moment here to place it exactly where you want your image to appear, since that makes the next step easier. Now go to either Uploads or Photos depending on where your image is coming from. If you're using your own file, choose it from Uploads. If you're using Canva's built-in image library, choose from Photos. Then simply drag the image over the frame. When you hover it correctly, the image will snap right into place inside the shape. If the image doesn't look quite right at first, don't worry. Just double-click the image inside the frame. This lets you reposition it and resize it within the shape, so you can control which part of the photo is visible. This is especially useful if you want to center a face, highlight a product, or make sure the most important part of the image is showing. Once you're happy with the placement, you're done. That's all it takes to insert an image into a shape in Canva, and it's a simple technique that can instantly make your designs look more creative and visually appealing.